how to report a conversation or a chat on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a conversation or a chat on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your home, click on the home icon and click on the paper plane up there beside the heart icon, and now choose the conversation and click on the E up there, like this. Now details, it's like a details icon. Click on it, and all you need to do is click on the second choice before block, which is report. Now select a problem to report, like the reason why are you gonna report this conversation. Hate speech, scam, or violence. You choose whatever you want, or I just don't like it, whatever. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.